Oh mon ami bidi, dibidi dan, dibidi dan, dibidi dan, dibidi dan, dan dan dan. So
I'm driving. My hand is on the steering wheel, my eyes are on the road. I'm coming from Christiana, and while I was on my way, I figured that I could record some roadside food places, predominantly soup places. I did see one jerk pan, and I figured that would be really cool to just record some food places across like Southern Trelawny. So I'm on my way back, and I'm going to stop and record those places. Yeah, I don't have much battery life on either of my batteries, so I'm gonna tally them together. I should have about 50%. So I'm just gonna record each location, and I'm very hungry. I've eaten all day, so I'll have more than enough space in my belly to record all these places. So yeah. So we're at our first stop. We'll get some chicken and some soup. There's some Ital soup. How much for the chicken? I made a 4 bill. Yes. Remember, I don't have that much battery life, guys, but it's our beautiful Trelawny. Just crossing to Trelawny. Huh? Yeah. I'm gonna get the money ready, pay him, and then I'll be back and tell you guys how it tastes.
Yeah.
You want a video? You can see it?
Yeah, man, I see you, man.
Going on YouTube.
Huh?
Going on YouTube.
Yeah, go put it up on YouTube.
Yeah. Thank you.
One of the wildest stuff in the world.
Your same chicken tastes good.
Yeah, spicy.
I'm a video, you know? Let me turn it for you.
Get you the face and you smile. Yeah, man. Remember that face, yeah?
Huh?
Remember that face, yeah?
Remember it. Alright, hopefully you guys can see me. Hopefully y'all can hear me. This is the Ital, Ital sip. Let me lift this up and show and I'll look a bit. So this is what it's looking like. Yeah. Me like meat in us, so. But it's not just bad. Ooh. And then the chicken tastes really good. That's what it looks like. I love jerk chicken. Where'd you wanna come? It's really good. So I'm gonna finish this off. Finish off the soup but I don't want to burn my tongue because whenever I burn my tongue, it stays burnt for like 4 or 5 days. The soup is good, but like I said, I like a bit of meat flavoring in my soup. The chicken tastes so good though. We'll finish this and I'm gonna come back to you guys when we're at the second location. Okay, I just stopped and saw that somebody is selling soup. So they must sell food to like chicken, but we don't eat chicken. So this is what's left of the Ital sip. Let me finish it off. But I'm gonna see what type of soup the man here have. Here sell soup? What kind of soup? Alright. How much is soup? $100 one. So this is by Lime Key, I'm pretty sure. Lime Key. I just saw the sign. Thank you. Hold on. Alright. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so this one is cow foot and chicken foot soup. I'll be right back because I don't have any more hands. Yeah, I'll be right back. Sorry. Woo. Oh. Little chicken foot here. Hold on, guys. Trying to make sure that you guys can see me. So well hot. Soup day, what I noticed in country, start probably like we're on Wednesday, go all the way till whenever. It's so hard to get soup in town. I mean, it's not hard to get soup in town, but it's very easy to get soup, as you see. I was sick earlier in the week, last week, and I was trying to get some soup. On the restaurant across the road, they're like, we only do soup on Saturdays. You know what? Some manish water. All right, I'm gonna head on out again. This one is really nice. It's also really hot, so trying to be careful as I drive. But I think there's another place down the road. I'm gonna try that place out as well. But this is really good. I like it. So far, everything's been really good. I'll show you again. Hey, my other camera battery just died. I'm not finished with this soup yet, but I made room for the other soup, so I'm gonna go get the other soup now. It's over here. A soup. What kind of soup this? Alright. I'm just trying to get them. It's easy now. Alright. Have change? Yeah? When? Whenever you're ready. No. You have to give me advance. When? I don't know. You really want to learn? Or Warsaw, may I come from? Warsaw, you live? Yeah, where? Where to Warsaw? You know I'm going to get them K? Okay? No, Leah, no drive truck? No. A drive truck? I don't want to learn for drive truck. You want to learn for drive truck? Yeah. So that's your car? Yeah. Let me give you a practice one at a time. Alright. You have to let me know, but give me something I can contact you. Alright, you ready? Thank you. Thanks. Back in the car. You're at the 876 already? Alright, I am on to my third soup. Ooh, this one is the same chicken foot and cow foot and red peas. Yeah, the one here a bit more watery than the other one, but tastes good nonetheless. Ooh. I'm gonna let it cool down. So this is the one from Lime Tree. This is just outside of Lime Tree. I don't really know what these areas are called, but if you notice the area, then I bought the soup right there. I could just finish this one, get on the road. I think there's one more left. There's two up the road that were closed. I had one of them before, and that one was really good. But I'm gonna let that one to cool down. I'm gonna finish this one, and then I'm gonna be on the road. Like I said, there's one more left. If I'm lucky, I might find another one. Can't you? Alright.
Man a run and a lick up in a wall and bag wire. Angela tep in a maca. Liquor bill wall is 16 proper. When he macky level scatter my rough fly like scupper. And a jump grass up on me a fire black a lantern topper.
Okay, the next place that I stopped at they didn't have any more soup left. All they had was roast yam and saltfish. So I think I'm gonna dedicate a whole other vlog to yam, just like specific food groups. Even though there was yam in some of the soup and food in the soup, it was specifically soup minus the chicken. So move over, man. So since I got 3 soup. One is Ital and the other 2 were chicken foot and cow foot, and one had red peas in it, and then I got some jerk chicken. So I think today was pretty successful. It was cute. It was a nice video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If I do see one more place, even though I just turned off and I don't think there's any out here, if I see any by my side, then I will pull back out the camera. If the camera not dead, I'll pull back out the phone if it dead. So the quality might change, but for now I'm telling you guys thank you so much for watching. The soups were delicious, and stay tuned for another video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and tell me what food do you guys want me to try to find, whether it be roadside or a specific local restaurant.